Guys, I had my 3 best apps which I use to make money online. So I'm going to show you each and everything step by step in this video. I'm going to show you how these apps work. So I'm going to show you 3 applications and I'm going to show you the withdrawals which I have made to show that they really work. So it is all about play to earn game. You play games online, then you earn money. So these are the website. The links will be down in the description of this video. So watch the video to the end. You'll see how each and every application works. You guys, my first application is here. It's called RedMonkey. You can see this is the dashboard. You can choose a game and earn. So you can switch the coins to real money so that you can see what you earn per game. So you can see that you can earn $142, you can earn $5, you can earn many tasks are here, or you can choose a provider which you want to earn with. So if I come to the cash out options, I have already tried their cash out. In my last video I made a cash out, you can see, and it was successful. So you guys, this is an opportunity to earn money online. So I'm going to show you the second platform. Let me go to the second platform. The second platform is called the VieFaucet. So this website, I just joined it earlier. So you can see that this is now my dashboard. Here I can do tasks. You can see the balance which I have. So I can do tasks, I can watch ads, I can play games. So you can see all the sections here. I can claim daily bonuses, I can get free coupons, and these coupons, they give you money. So you can see that I've been earning also with it. So here I've done several withdrawals by coming to withdraw, and even now I can withdraw. So let me check out the coins which I can use to withdraw. So let me withdraw via USDT. So I'm going to click in confirm that I'm not a robot. Then I click on the withdraw. After confirming, then I click in the withdraw. So you guys, you can see that the withdrawal has been sent. So I have made several withdrawals. As you can see here, I have made several withdrawals and they have reached my account. So that is how you earn with this platform. So I'm going to show you the last platform because I told you 3 best platforms which I use. So you can see that this is called Coinpayu. I'll be leaving all the links down in the description of this video, so you can choose what to use, or you can use all the way I'm using it. So you can see that I have a purchase balance, but I have no main balance. But here I've earned with this and it is easy. You can just browse. You can see the section browse. You can just watch ads and earn coins. You can see here I can watch this ad for 15 seconds, like pressing it and wait for 15 seconds so that the ad can end. So let me come back within 15 seconds. So you guys, 15 seconds are done. So let me come back. You can see that I have earned 2.5 coins, and if I come to the dashboard, you can see that I have earned the 2 points. So you can check in offer section. Also, you can download games, you can watch other ads, and then earn money from here. And before I continue, I want to show you the withdraw methods in all platforms. So I'm going to start with this last one. If I come to the dashboard, you can see the dashboard option. So if I scroll down, you can see the cash out options. So you can cash out via PayPal, via crypto, via Pay, via Faucet Pay, and they have a minimum withdrawal of $1. So you can withdraw also via gift cards. So you can choose your gift cards if you wish. So that is how you withdraw from this. And the second platform, which is VieFaucet, you can withdraw via Faucet Pay, you can withdraw via CC wallet, you can withdraw via you can just enter your wallet address for Dogecoin, for Litecoin, for BNB, so that you can withdraw via those networks. So there is a minimum withdrawal of 30,000 coins, and this is like $1 or $10 or $3. So we have a minimum withdrawal of $3 here. So the last option, which is the RedMonkey, you can cash out via Dogecoin, via Litecoin with the minimum withdrawal of $0.5. Those are 500 coins. Or you can withdraw via gift cards. So you can check out the gift cards you want. So that is it, guys. You can subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.